Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the topic mean deviation, but today we will do the data is in the form of class interval. So first we will do example number 6. Find mean deviation about mean, same that we did yesterday. Mean deviation about mean, but the data is given in the form of class interval. So let we have the data is given, marks obtained in the form of class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Number of students are 2 means frequency 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3 and 2. So first we will calculate the mean of this data as we calculated in class 10th. So here first we will write marks obtained, class interval सारे लिख लिए, frequency 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3, 2. Then we will calculate their midpoint, upper value plus lower value upon 2, 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. 10 का क्लास साइज है तो ये प्लस होते चलेंगे, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Then we calculate. Here you can use step deviation, you can use direct method for calculation of mean जैसे 10th में करते थे. Whatever method you can apply, you whatever method you feel comfortable. So whatever method you feel comfortable you can apply for the calculation of mean. So first we will do the direct method and second will be by step deviation method. So ये पार्ट 10 तक का है. मीन कैलकुलेट करना है. 2 इंटू 15 30, 3 25 75, 8 35 मल्टीप्लाई किया 280, 14 इंटू 45 360, 630, 855 440, 65 into 3 195, 75 into 2 150. Then we calculate sigma fi xi, ये आ गया 1800. So mean will be 1800 by 40. So 1800 by 40, mean is 45. Then we will calculate the deviation, difference xi minus x bar का mod. So xi, remember it is the mid value 15. Median we have, mean we have calculated 45. So 45 minus 15 minus 45 minus 30, mod ले लिया, so it is plus 30. 25 minus 45 20, 35 minus 45 10, 45 minus 45 0, 55 minus 45 10, 65 minus 20, 65 minus 45 20, 75 minus 45 30. So this is sigma xi minus x bar, deviation का mod. Then we will calculate fi into xi minus x bar. So fi is this 2 into 30 60, 3 into 20 60, 8 10 80, 14 into 0 0, 8 into 10 80, 8 3 into 20 60, 2 into 30 again 60. So we calculate the sigma fi xi minus x bar. इस सब का सम कर लिया. This will be 400. So what is our mean deviation? 400 by 40. So mean deviation is sigma fi xi minus x bar का mod upon n. So it is 1 by 40, means 40 is the sum of observation, sum of frequency n, and 400 is the sigma fi xi minus x bar. So 400 by 40 is 10. So next we have same question, mean deviation about mean, data is given in class interval form. So classes are given 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, and frequency is given 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. This is question number 9 of your exercise 15.1. फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट द मीन के लिए इनकी मिड वैल्यूज 0 प्लस 100 50, 0 प्लस 100 100 बाई 2 50, 100 का डिफरेंस है 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650 एंड 750. Here I have calculated the mean not by direct method, by step deviation method. So ui is given, 10th में करते थे, ui is xi minus a upon h, where a is assumed mean. assumed mean ले लिया मैंने 450, 450 is assumed mean, and xi ये हो गए हमारे सारे, h class size 100 का हो गया. So if you calculate this will be 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. 10th में करते थे 1, 2 and 3, ये सेम ही आती हैं वैल्यूज हर बार. देन fi ui 44 minus 16, 8 3s are 24, minus 9 2s are minus 18, 10 1s are minus 10, 4 0 0, 5 1 5, 4 2 8, 3 3 9. रिमेंबर इसका मोड नहीं लगाना, ये हम मीन तक कैलकुलेट करते हैं. मोड वी विल अप्लाई व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट xi माइनस x बार. तो इसको जब हमने सिग्मा fi ui कैलकुलेट किया, इट इज़ 46 विद माइनस साइन. सो फॉर्मूला फॉर मीन इज, 10th में करते थे, a प्लस सिग्मा fi ui ओवर सिग्मा fi इंटू h. सो दिस इज 450 एज्यूम्ड मीन प्लस सिग्मा fi ui माइनस 46 अपॉन सिग्मा fi फ्रीक्वेंसी का सम 50 इंटू क्लास साइज 2. So when you calculate, the mean comes out to be 358. The next is we have calculate xi minus x bar mod, यानी कि di. xi minus x bar mod means 358, 50 minus 358. This 358 is our median. So 50 minus 358, 308 with mod sign. Then 150 minus 358, 208. 250 minus 358, 108. Then 350 minus 358, 8. 450 minus 358, 92. 550 minus 358, 192. 650 minus 358, 292. 750 minus 358, 392. This is xi minus x bar. So again we calculate fi into di, मतलब fi into xi minus x bar. 4 into 308, 1232. 8 into 208, 1664. 9 into 108, 972. 10 into 8, 80. 7 into 92, 644. 5 into 192, 960. 4 into 292, 1168. 3 into 392, 1176. Then we calculate this sum, sigma fi xi minus x bar, या sigma fi di. So sigma fi di is 7, 8, 9 and 6, 7896. So mean deviation is 7896 divided by 50. So 7896 divided by 50, 157.92 is the mean deviation about mean when the data is given in the form of class interval. So next we will do the mean deviation about median data is given in the form of class intervals. this type is of example number 7. Calculate mean deviation about median for the following data. Class is given, means class intervals given है. You have to calculate mean deviation about median. So first we will calculate the median. 10th में जैसे करते थे, we will write classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 30, 30 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Then we will write the frequency 6, 7, 15, 16, 4, 2. The total frequency is 50. Then we will calculate the cumulative frequency. For the median we require cumulative frequency. So this is 6 as it is, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 4, 48, 48 plus 2, 50. So this total will be tally. Then again we calculate the mid values. Mid values because we required xi minus median. We require xi minus median. So this is 5, 15, upper plus lower upon 2. So 0 plus 10 upon 2, 5. 10 का class size है तो 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. So first we calculate the median. So formula of median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF over F into H. So median is n by 2. N by 2 is 25. N by 2 is n is 50. So n by 2 is 25. So with respect to 25 in cumulative frequency, if we see 25 lies here. So यहाँ तक तो 13 तक है. So 25 lies will in 20 to 30. So median class will be 20 to 30. ये हमारी median class है. So with respect to this median class, median is L. L is lower limit of median class, that is 20 plus n by 2. 50 था तो n is 50, so n by 2 is 25 minus cumulative frequency is 13 over frequency of the class is 15 into 10 is equal to 28. This is same as we calculate in 10 standard. So median is 28. The next is we have to calculate xi minus median. So median we have calculated is 28. Median is 28. So first xi minus median. xi minus median 5 minus 28, 23. Mod ले लिया. 15 minus 28, 13. 25 minus 28, 3. 35 minus 28, 7. 45 minus 28, 17. 55 minus 28, 27. So this is the xi minus median का mod. So fi, then we calculate fi xi minus median. fi से multiply करना है इसको. 6 into 23, 138, 7, 13, 19, 1, 15, 3, 45, 16, 7, 112, 4 into 17, 68, 4, 2 into 27, 54. Then again we will calculate sigma fi xi minus median. This values comes out to be 508. So mean deviation will be 508 divided by 50. 508 divided by 50. This is 10.16. So let we have another question.